Alright, good morning guys. Welcome to another episode of Off-Axis Builds. Got the trailer in the background there, fully built. We're going to be doing the mods on this trailer, so stay tuned and I'll walk you through each mod. Got about 12 different mods we'll be doing.
Alright guys, so that is where the spare tire mounts when it's a stock trailer. I'm going to be removing the mount from it so I can install my toolbox. But this plate that you see underneath here is actually going to be serve two purposes. I'm going to cut this block off and I'm going to actually add it below my jack stand so I can get a little more height out of my jack stand to get it off my Jeep. Then I'm going to cut this bracket off and use that as a bracket to connect my tire underneath, because I'm actually going to be putting a hoist system to put the tire up underneath the trailer. And what that does will allow me to put a toolbox right here, and it'll hide the tire out of the sun.
Yeah.
So I'm going to go ahead and start cutting that tire mount so I can get that out of the way, so I can actually connect my jack stand. So I want to get that cut out of the way so I can have that ready for the next project. So I'm going to put the mount for my spare tire on this little tongue section here that I welded all up before. So I'll weld that up there with the crank on this side so I can crank it away from the other crank. Okay, and then I'm also going to put a hole in the frame here with a sleeve that allows me to put this cable all the way through to the back. So let's go ahead and get this thing drilled and welded in. from if this cable breaks, that just to hold it secure from falling. So let's go ahead and take this thing down and show you how it works. So at this point, you get enough cable to pull it out from underneath the trailer. Then you're going to remove those two lug nuts, and this piece will actually slide through that circle there. Okay, and then you change your tire, put your spare tire or worn tire back onto this, and suck it back up. So let's go ahead and show you what's going on in the front. So this crank right here actually pulls that tire in, okay? So let's go ahead and get you set up in the back and you can see how that tire goes back up.